I'm Charles, I'm 54 years old. I weigh about 220 pounds when I don't have any of my prosthetics on, but I am 6'1" when I'm fully assembled. I'm going to show you what I do to get in bed, basically from this position. Now I'm actually in my daughter's bedroom because I've been assured that her bed is actually taller than mine, and so it'll give a demonstration of getting in, I guess, a normal height bed. The way I do this is I'm usually moving around on this little scooter that I've showed you before. When I'm upstairs, I'm usually moving around on this. And I approach this the same way I approach a lot of things where I'm moving from one place to a little bit higher place, like in my wheelchair or getting you know, in and out of the shower, that sort of thing. So what I'm going to do is just move up here, and just for safety's sake, I always throw these things back so that I've only got one layer of stuff that's slipping around. Alrighty. Okay, and I want to get really, really close to the bed. And I'm going to put my knee, as you can see, I am a double amputee, but I'm right leg is below the knee, so it means I've got a knee. I'm always want to wear knee pads when I don't have my prosthetic on, because it was suggested that my knees would last longer if I wore knee pads. So I definitely want to do that, so I have that on. And then I've got my my other stump is going to be, my short leg is going to be up against the bedside, because my intention is I'm going to get off of this little scooter onto my knee, onto this knee, and I'm going to balance myself on this knee and put this short leg up on the bed and then get around on the bed that way. Okie dokie. Now, if I was shorter or I had a higher bed, I would probably go ahead and buy myself one of those like aerobic step deals, a little, you know, that's made out of that real kind of hard foam rubber, but it still wouldn't hurt your knees, and put my knee up against that and make this transfer that way. But I don't need to, because I've got that kind of a reach. But that would be my suggestion if I didn't. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead, get up on this knee. Now, it did take me about a half a dozen times to get halfway smooth with that, so it didn't you know, happen right necessarily just the first time. I'm going to hop my knee over here as close to the bed as I can, because my mission is to get my short leg up on here as far as I can. I want to get my bun up here as far as I can, and then once I did that, I'm going to push myself up and just rotate around on the bed, and now I'm up on the bed. One thing that I will point out to you, I have had an experience in a hotel room that had one of those real fluffy pillow top deals, and I rolled right off of that dude. So, you know, you definitely want to be cautious as you're doing these things, and you know, just be aware of what you're doing. But that's a very good way. It works for me. That's the way I routinely get in and out of bed, just going backwards, getting out of bed, planting myself right on the little scooter. That's the way I manage to get in and out of bed.